Hey guys, it's Bodie with iptvwire.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install TPlayer on an Amazon Firestick, Fire TV, or Android TV device. Now, TPlayer is a popular live TV player that you can pair with your favorite services for an improved user interface. Now, you'll see here I am on the Google Play Store page for TPlayer. This application has over 5 million downloads and over 8.36 thousand reviews. So, because TPlayer is available inside Google Play, I know that this application is 100% legal and verified to install and use on our Android devices and also Fire TV devices. So I want to point that out before diving in too much further, that because TPlayer is inside Google Play, we know that this application is verified and legal to use on our devices. So now guys, I'm going to head over to my Amazon Fire Stick and I'm going to show you how you can install TPlayer on your Fire Stick or Fire TV device. Alright guys, so I'm on my second generation Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and this tutorial will work on any variation of the Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV device. Again, TPlayer is available inside the Google Play Store if you're using an Android TV device, and that is how I know this application is verified and legal to install and use on my Fire Stick. So to install TPlayer, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the downloader application. Now, this can be installed from the Amazon App Store on your Fire Stick or Fire TV device. All you need to do is hover over Find, click Search, and then type in Downloader. You'll see I already have Downloader installed on my Fire Stick, but if you do not, this is what you would do. You would find Downloader in the Amazon App Store under Apps and Games, click the orange icon, and then you would click Install. It prompted Downloader to open since I already have it installed, but you would click Install as that's what you would see on your device. So once you have Downloader installed, guys, the next thing you need to do is hover over the settings icon, scroll down and click My Fire TV, click Developer Options, click Install Unknown Apps, and you should see Downloader here under Install Unknown Apps. Make sure this is turned on or this will not work. Now, if for some reason you do not see Developer Options here, you'll need to click About and then click Fire TV Stick 4K Max, or whatever this says here about 7 times until you see the message that says no need, you are already a developer. Once you see that message, click back and you should see developer options here. So once you do that, simply launch the downloader application and then click this option here to click the text box. And then I'm going to enter the following code, 298344. Double check that for accuracy and then click go. And guys, this will redirect you to the IPTV Wire Quick Links page. Now, this is my custom page that has all of these players on it, such as TPlayer and various other applications that you can install with one click. So all you need to do here, guys, is once you're on the Quick Links page, the first thing I would do is come up to the very top right and click this button with the 3 lines. Then click Add Current Page to Favorites, click Save, and that way Quick Links is saved to your favorites. So you can just go back next time you launch Downloader, click Favorites, and you'll see it right here. So going back to the Quick Links page, I'm going to click Favorites, and now I'm back on my Quick Links page. To find TPlayer, simply scroll down and you should see it right here. You'll see the option for TPlayer. Now go ahead and click that and it should prompt the installation on your Fire Stick. So give it a few seconds for the file to download and you should see a screen like mine. And after the file has downloaded, you'll see this option here that says, do you want to install this application? Click Install, and then you're going to have to give it a few more seconds for TPlayer to install on your device. All right, after the app has installed, I'm going to click Done. And then the first thing I'm going to do is click the home button on my remote. As you'll see, I'm back on the home screen of my Fire Stick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this icon here towards the end of my apps list. I'm going to click this one right next to the settings icon. So click Your Apps and Channels. And once you're on this screen, you can scroll down and you should be able to find TPlayer right here. Then click the Options button on your remote, click Move, and I'm going to move this towards the front of my apps list. Click OK to drop it, click the Home button, And here you'll see TPlayer towards the front of my apps list. Now, before launching TPlayer, guys, or any live TV player for that matter, I always want to ensure that I am connected to a reliable VPN like Surfshark. Now, I do have a special discount link below this video for Surfshark VPN that will get you the best discount. And guys, that also does help support myself and this channel. So I would always recommend connecting to a VPN like Surfshark before using any third-party live TV application. So once you're connected to Surfshark, I'm going to launch TPlayer, and then you're going to have to give it a few seconds to load here, and you'll get this message that says, in order to play video and audio, we will need to access media files on your device. Click Allow Access. And then you're going to have to click Allow again when this message appears. And here is the home screen of TPlayer. You'll see it says there is no content on your device, which makes sense. I haven't integrated anything yet. Now, if you were going to integrate a live TV provider, and I'm not going to do that in this video, you would click the settings option in the top left here, and you'd scroll down and click Network Stream. Now, once you click Network Stream, you would enter this network URL that is often provided from your live TV service, and you can typically find this in a confirmation email. If you can't find this network URL for whatever reason, I would suggest contacting your live TV service customer support, or simply use a different live TV player other than TPlayer. So that's what you can do here. If I click settings, there's a couple settings you can change with subtitles, subtitle language, subtitle background. If I click this option here in the top right, it looks like this just changed the different menu interfaces. But that's it, guys. Again, this is Bodie with iptv Wire. Appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, leave me a comment below too if you use TPlayer or what applications you recommend using. And guys, I hope you all have a great day.